Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my two crafty dares that I did this week. I missed last week's one, and don't ask me why. And then I did the week before that. So the week before that, let me get my notes here. We were to use a collage, an image, and glitter. Okay, so I made it was supposed to be a card front, and I don't know what I'm going to turn it into, but anyway, I think it's 4¼ by 5½ card base. I Mod Podge all these strips of paper, book pages, pattern paper from my stash. And then what else did I do? This butterfly is glittered, but this piece here, this whole piece, including the butterfly, was a cluster that I did a swap with over at Junk Journal with Penny, and I thought this cluster here was perfect for my card. Then I add a Tim Holtz doll, and this is a Tim Holtz. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby when it was on sale, and I added some words. It was a long strip. It was Amazing Things Will Happen, and I inked it up. I have like a package of phrases and stuff. And then here are some metal pieces from my stash. And I just love how this turned out. So that was 2 weeks ago. This week we were to use a teapot, lace, and vellum. Okay, so I made a simple tag, and let me get the stuff that I used. I used this die. I think this was an AliExpress die, unfortunately. And then I used this paper from my stash. I got this at Tuesday morning. And I just love the colors. Look at the birds and stuff. I'm not one with, I think this is like a teal color, but I really do like it. Okay, so I cut the dies out with the pattern paper, both the teapot and the teacup, and here is my lace on the bottom here. It kind of looks like a tablecloth. This looks more like a wall. And then I made this square. It was part of the cut aparts, and I'll show you a piece of that. Here's the piece of the cut apart. So these are like 2x2 squares, and it's just so pretty. Anyway, I backed it with a vellum piece from my stash. I even put vellum behind the teacup so you can see through it. And also vellum up here. You can't really tell there's vellum in there, but there is vellum. I added some flat back pearls. I added some ribbon roses from my stash. I love how that looks. And I made this look like a frame hanging on the wall. So I really love how this tag turned out. I even inked the edges of the tag, the frame, the teapot and teacup. So really love how these turned out. And then I added some thin jute from my stash. So that is my 2 Crafty Dares from, this was from, I don't know, which week was that? March 5th, and then this was for March 19th. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week and weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.